In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the British pound futures as they're giving back some ground today after some higher price action yesterday. British pound futures trading slightly lower. Now, initially, we did see them trading higher, but then a reaction to the U.S. data pushed them a little bit lower here throughout the session. And that makes it 3 out of the last 4 trading sessions. British pound futures have been trading lower here and trading near the low end of the range really over for the last 6 weeks or so, as we're priced here at 1.263 today. We did see a low a couple sessions ago of 1.2581, so we're still holding above that level, holding the 1.26 handle for the time being. But when you look at it from a longer term perspective, British pound futures have been experiencing some selling pressure here for the last several weeks. And when you look at the driving factors today, I think really the U.S. data points being one of the primary drivers. We did see them pretty much come in line with expectations as far as consumer confidence, housing data, and such. But it appears to be enough to support the U.S. dollar, as we did see most of the major FX markets slightly higher before that data point, or those series of data points, I should say, and now we are trading pretty much lower across most of the major FX markets as we move through the session. And looking at the British pound trends, now that we are slightly off of those lows from a couple sessions ago, we are still basically holding near the lowest levels since the second week in February. So about 5 to 6 week lows here in the price action as the markets are adjusting to the idea of what central banks may be doing moving forward, as well as the Fed and the data points. And looking at the general trends today, looking at most of the major FX markets, they are slightly lower across the board, giving back some gains. Yesterday we did see some higher price action in many of the major FX markets, but today a little bit of give back. The only caveat, I guess, would be the Canadian dollar showing some strength today. British pound futures, though, unable to hold early gains, and now for 3 out of the last 4 trading sessions, we are seeing them trading lower on the day.